guys. I'm babysitting. Wait, let me do this. Sunbonan, guys. Okay. What do we just? Hello. Say hello.
We're styling a whole bridal party tomorrow. I don't know how I'll do it alone.
Hello.
You have to help me. Me? No, I couldn't.
I'm babysitting, guys. Like, I get typically get this wrong.
How could I say no?
Just wanted to come in and say hi. Say hi. Yes. Hello.
That's what all the kids are saying.
Hi, Timby. This thing. Okay, I'm calm.
You understand? It's the most important day of my daughter's life, so I have to look fantastic.
Ari?
Oh, it's just that you were
Ari mo. Hi. Oh. How about was? Well, some of us. Lily.
My hair's not getting any shorter.
I'll deal with him and the bride. Can you start on that melted
Okay, I'm babysitting. Yeah, I'm good, Timby. Ciao, bye, come just.
Alright, this
Let's say it's a hello, just someone like.
And we should be distracted for a while.
I'm babysitting, guys. Like, what's that? So it's okay.
Cucumbers.
Banana permanent. Permanent. Not now.
Okay, cucumbers.
I just wanted to come say hi, guys. Don't mind my hair. It's a mess. Go eat again. Come off your face. But
So we're in the clear. That Zillow over here keeps changing his mind about
this is what I'm wearing. I'm at home, guys. Get high, yeah. Cause I missed home. This is my outfits. How are you?
We can't wait to see what you What are you doing here?
Wena wa tshwara wa senya. Hello. Hello. Happy Sunday, guys. Did you guys go to church?
I do?
She is, yeah. She's matching with her outfits. Outfit of the day. Where did you buy your outfit, girl? What's it?
Are you sure about
Hey? No. Where did you buy your outfit? Guys, hamu. Kay puso na hana. Yo, guys. Kay puso na hana mo alinting. Let me fix this. Such hard work. Hello. No matter, guys. Like, yo, banana permanent. Permanent. Mama no ke rata taba for itse ke gona mo gotlisa ke re mother, you can take your child. Tshwara. I'm okay. You know? Yeah, asale nina. When no batla tshwara fela etle.
He cut everyone's hair, including yours. What?
Guys, what all tshwara? I can understand.
Practice, but I couldn't get it right.
Why?
So I roped CJ into helping me. He's an absolute hair wizard, even in the dark. Anyway, I'm so sorry for lying to you.
No, but no, don't cry. Okay, excuse, sorry. Guys, na ke rata ngwana a lahle because I kitse ke etse jwang.
Well, not yet, you don't.
That's not my baby, yo. Excuse, Lena. Don't cry.
Ready to give it a try?
Kinano nga, kita ko siya pa. No one, I babysit like one of the cousins back. Yeah. Okay. Let me go, guys, because the babysit one. I just wanted to come and say hi. Oh, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Bye, guys.